Samsung's been teasing foldables for years now, but this might be the biggest step yet. At some point in the next 5 months, the company is finally set to reveal its long-rumored, tri-folding Galaxy Z Fold. Samsung already confirmed that it's coming before the end of 2025, and one rumor even points to October. Now, unlike Samsung's usual foldables, or even its Galaxy S lineup, we don't have a ton of leaks about the Z Fold specs. What we do know is that it's supposed to feature not 2 but 3 phone-sized panels that unfold into one giant display. And according to a new leak from Sammy Guru, Samsung is getting One UI 8 ready to take full advantage of this crazy form factor. The big new feature is something called Split Trio. Basically, you'll be able to run 3 apps side by side at once, and you'll have the choice to organize them horizontally or vertically, plus pin that setup to your home screen, taskbar, or edge panel for quick access. Another tweak is to cover screen mirroring, which you might have seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. On the Z Fold, instead of just splitting into 2 pages, it'll spread across all 3 panels, and you'll be able to customize how it's laid out. It's a small change, but one that really shows how Samsung is thinking about this unique design. Now, as far as release timing goes, things are still a little blurry. Samsung could pair the Z Fold launch with the Galaxy S25 FE, which is set to arrive earlier this year. The S24 FE launched October 3rd after a late September announcement. So an early to mid-September release for the Z Fold is definitely possible. But Samsung might also want to give the device its own spotlight, considering it's such a different high-end product compared to the FE. Either way, the Z Fold is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most ambitious devices yet. 3 panels, split trio multitasking, and a whole new software experience to match. So what do you think? Are you hyped for a TriFold, or does it just feel like a gimmick? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to launch. Until next time, take care.